Hey guys, we're out here doing another product test. The people from Nooie sent us this smart plug. This little box, it comes with two smart plugs. Here's what they look like. Comes two in a box. There's an app that you can set up on your phone and hook these smart plugs up, and you can control lights, whatever thing you can plug it in. You're limited on some appliances that's too heavy, so many amps, so you can use this for a lot of different applications on it, but it comes in a nice little box here. And we're going to show you how to set this up, do a little review on it today, so follow along. I hope this helps you out. Alright guys, the good people at Nooie sent me a Nooie Smart Plug to do a little review, do a little test on it there, and so we appreciate that. We're going to check this out, but you see this is the Nooie Smart Plug. It has 2 times the, otherwise there's 2 of them in here is what I'm trying to say, but they have live with style and ease with Nooie. It shows this has a app controlled, has a Wi-Fi connection. You can set timers with it, and it's also voice controlled. A little more information about the product here, but it's neatly packed in a neat little box here. But we'll open this up, and as you can see, it has 2 of these module plugs that you can plug units into them. Let's get one out here and look it over. It has a ground plug on it, so as you can see, whatever you plug it into, it needs to have this grounding plug onto it, and that's a safety issue. You really need to have your appliances grounded out in case you have any type of electrical issue. I believe there's a little LED light on here that shows that it's connected. It has an on and off switch here. It's neatly packaged up here. Let's take the there's like a little foil thing over it that you can remove. So let's just go ahead and take that off. It's nice and neatly clean, but feels solid, you know, nice little plug. But let's go ahead and figure out how to operate this. It also comes, like I said again, it comes with 2 of them. It comes with a little instruction booklet here. Nooie Smart Plug. Let's just look this over a little bit and see what's involved in setting it up. It gives you a little, and see, yeah, there is a little indicator plug on here that lights up, shows you when it's working. Has an on and off button. So the Nooie plug only supports the 2.4 gigabytes Wi-Fi network. So some of them are 5. This one only supports the 2.4. A lot of units are that way. They only do the 2.4. Use your smart plug only indoor environments, not outside. Keep away from water and flames that may cause fire, electrical damage, and other damage. Make sure the appliance is off before you plug it into the smart plug. Do not use the plug to operate appliances like stoves, heaters, where a continuous unsupervised operation that could be dangerous. But it has this little setup here. There's a QR code that you can use that. Or you can, if you don't have that app set on your phone, you can actually just go to either your Google Play or your App Store and just search out the Nooie Home app, and then you create a account and add your device to it. Plug your device directly into the 3-prong grounded outlet and follow instructions on the app. So it has a couple little indicators. One's flashing white, means it's connecting to the program or the progress, or a steady white is means it's working properly. A little bit about the specification. This is model number PA10. The color is white. Working temperature is -10 to 60 degrees Celsius. Wi-Fi requirements is 2.4 gigabytes. Input voltage is AC 120 volts. Maximum output is 10 amps. It can use iOS or Android, and it weighs 2.6 grams on it. So has some information about customer care, their warranty, has a 30-day return policy with a 2-year limited warranty, which that's pretty good, and it gives you the website to go to for it. So let's check this on out. Let's see if we can get the app set up. Alright, we've got the Nooie Home installed, and so all we have to do is hit open. This will bring it. It says allow Nooie Home to access photos, media, and files on your device, and I'll hit allow. Allow Nooie to make and manage phone calls, and I'll hit allow. So just give it so it can do what it needs to do. You allow that. So create account. So location, it says China. Let's change that to United States. So I'll go all the way down here to the bottom to USA. So we hit the USA, and then we'll put our name and our email in here, and then go ahead with the setup process. So we're going to go ahead and get this ready to go. So hit create account. Make sure your location is where we're at. Have to be USA. So we're going to put USA. We're going to name this Lucky Dog. Spelled wrong. Lucky Dog. I spelled D-A-W-G. We're going to put the email as 1 Lucky Dog Productions at gmail.com, and hit sign up. Oh, you got to hit the agree to it. Hit the sign up. This is going to send us a code. We'll go in here and check out the code. Alright, so we're creating a home. And what we've done here, we've created an account. Alright, we're going to get ready to set up an app here. First thing you got to do is just go ahead and plug your little smart thing in. The smart plug, if it's not blinking here yet, hold the side of it down for about 5 seconds, and after about 5 seconds you'll see it's blinking slowly. So add device, Nooie Smart Plug. It says the light is flashing rapidly. We're going to go ahead and put into, we got this set up to, it's got to be a 2.4 gigabyte network, so we're going to make sure this is on the proper network, in which we are. Now we're going to hit next, and now it should be in the pairing mode. It should be looking for the smart plug right now, and that'll just take a few moments, and when it finds it, you'll see all these things come together, and it'll say that it has paired with the device. There it goes. You can see it found the device. The light went out on the plug now. It says pairing successful. So now we're going to name this plug. We have a couple of fish aquariums that we're going to use it to turn the lights on the aquarium. And we want to have a fish named Pinky. So we're going to go ahead and name this Pinky's Light. So there's Pinky's Light, L-I-G-H-T. Save that. And hit the check button. So now we have Pinky's Light on here. Now I don't have it plugged into nothing, but if I push on this, I can hear it click. Hear it click on, hear it click off. And you'll see the light will come on and off. So that's how you pair up each of your plugs, the whole setup. Usually they come out of the box and the light will already be blinking, but if they don't, just hold down the button on the side of the plug for 5 seconds or more until you get it to blink. Alright, I want to show you how I can turn these lights on. I have 2 aquariums setting up here. It's kind of dark, but I can go ahead and, like, the aquarium to the left, you can see it will come on, and we can actually go to the next aquarium, which we call Oscar's thing, and the aquarium light comes on there. And then we can also set them up where we can take them both off at the same time. because we set this up in a app where you combine the two, and you'll see they both come on and they both come on. And we can do it individually. Like I said, this one on the left we call Pinky's Light, because I have a fish in there we call Pinky, and then we have the one on the right is Oscar's Lights, because he is an Oscar. But it's kind of neat where you can set these up to both come on at the same time or come on individually. Alright, I've also have this set up to my Google Home app, and I can voice control all these. Okay Google, turn on Pinky's lights. Okay Google, turn on Oscar's lights. Okay Google, turn on desk light. As you can see, all my lights are on. Or I can say, okay Google, turn off family room lights. Okay Google, turn on family room lights. Alright, so you can see I can use the Nooie Smart Plugs along with my Google Home app, which really makes it nice. You can just voice activate everything. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed our review of the Nooie Smart Plug. This is the PA10. They sent us to them to do a review. I'm very impressed with them. We're going to leave a link down below to Amazon where you can purchase these links. They'll work with your Google or your Alexa, so you can they're very versatile. Like I said, they can use it with several of the smart devices or on the app individually. So this makes it a really nice product. We did another review on a Nooie 360 security camera, and this thing was awesome. We'll also leave a link to that. Nooie products are really well made. Work really good, easy to set up. But I hope this helped you out. If you have any comments, any questions, leave it in the section below and we'll get back with you. If you're not a subscriber, we do all kinds of product reviews. We do other videos, the local parks and cities. We do some cooking videos and also have some live chats twice a week on Monday mornings at, or Monday evenings at 6 and Thursday mornings at 8 a.m. So join us in one of our live chats. Hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and hit that little bell if you want to be notified of our next video so you don't miss a one. So we'll see you guys the next time. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to support our channel, we have links down below that you can click on. We're an Amazon affiliate. We have stickers available. We have a t-shirt store where you can buy t-shirts and coffee chat mugs. Or if you just want to support us, you can support us through the PayPal link. So we appreciate all your help. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.